sawmill friends. We have a lot to get done today, guys. We're going to finish up this walnut log, get back on the cleanup job up here. I about got it done. We got one more scoop of sawdust in the tractor, and I may go ahead and break the sawmill down and move it over a little bit closer to the wall. And I'm thinking about knocking a hole in this wall so we can bring logs in a little bit easier. I don't know. We may look at that though. I got my grinder up here, and I may just do that. I may just do that today, guys, but I won't do that for a long time because these short logs, when you bring them into the sawmill, it's hard to get them in here because this wall is only there's about a 48-inch span, I guess, to come in underneath it. It's not too tall. But real fast, guys, I want to thank Policy Genius for sponsoring today's video, and more on them later. Let's get into it here. I gotta get in the tractor, take the sawdust to the burn pile, and put on the pallet forks. Stick here with me. I want to thank Policy Genius for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with that company, they are not an insurance company by no means. They are a marketplace that you can go to shop for life insurance. Now, in my opinion, the number one consideration when you think about life insurance, whether or not you need it or not, do you have anybody in your family that depends on your income? If you answer yes to that, you better get some life insurance. We have it here at the sawmill. I got it a long time ago. I don't work in the private sector. I'm self-employed. I don't have a corporation or a business who comes around every year and gives me a benefits package. I have to go out on my own and find the best life insurance. And also a few other people that are employed with companies that do give you a package every year. Sometimes they don't offer the best life insurance that you could probably get your hands on. And that's where Policy Genius comes into play. Right now, you could save 50% or more on life insurance when you compare quotes with Policy Genius. You could save $1,300 or more per year by using Policy Genius to compare life insurance policies. That's one good thing about Policy Genius. They do not sell your information. They are a very private company, guys. And you deal with them, you know they're not going to try to make money off of you and sell your information to a third party. Something else you want to keep in mind when you start thinking about life insurance, now's the time to act. You don't want to put this off till tomorrow because life insurance in general gets more expensive the older you get. Now this sawmill blade is 170 inches long. That translates into 170 reasons why I need life insurance. I'm self-employed, I work by myself, and I work around heavy machinery. It only makes sense to have life insurance, guys, and don't wait till tomorrow. Like I was saying earlier, prices are going up. Visit policygenius.com/outofthewoods to shop the market and start saving today. Guys, let's get going. Another big thank you to Policy Genius for sponsoring the video. I really appreciate that. This is black walnut. We sawed this about 2 videos ago, I'm not even been up here sawing since then, guys. Had a lot going on. But this is the Gatlinburg walnut log that we started. I'll leave a link down below to that video so you can catch up to right now. It's about 60 inches long up here at the crotch. We're about 30 inches on the width. At the bottom, it's about 22. This slab right here came out of this timber already. We got, I think, 2 or 3 right there. We'll probably get 4 more today. We're doing 9/4 slabs. We have a brand new blade on the sawmill that's on 7 degree, no, not 7, come on now, 4 degree, 0.45 thickness blade on there. It's really sharp. It's a double hard Wood-Mizer blade. We should go through this pretty easily here. We'll make about 4 cuts and be done, guys. Sit here with me. The good stuff starts now. I'm thinking the second cut will be the best slab of the day, based on what I'm seeing. Famous last words will probably hit some metal, but I'm thinking slab number 2 of the day. Stick here with me, guys.
Here we are, here in the valley, by the riverside. We have our peace, we have our freedom, if only for a time. And we won't go onward apart when come the winter time. We know it well, the pain of the leaving, but this will raise the bar. And I will go with all I know to seek the sounds of our dreaming. And come what may, kind